In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely work on your TurboTax online return in Google Chrome and understand how your progress is saved. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer before continuing with your TurboTax return. Using Chrome can help provide a smooth and reliable experience while navigating the site, especially when you're moving between different sections of your tax return. Once Chrome is open, go to TurboTax Online and continue working where you left off. As you move through your return, it's important to know that TurboTax Online automatically saves your progress for you. This happens continuously whenever you go to a new screen. That means you generally do not need to manually save each section as you work. If you finish entering information on one page and continue to the next, your updates are being recorded along the way. This can give you peace of mind while completing your return, especially if you're working through it in multiple sessions. Even with automatic saving, it's still a good habit to move carefully from one screen to the next and allow each page to load fully before closing the browser or leaving the site. That helps ensure your latest changes have time to register properly. If you're stepping away for a moment, try to finish the page you're on and continue to the next screen so your most recent work is captured. When you're ready to stop working on your return, make sure to sign out safely instead of simply closing the browser window. To do this, look at the bottom left side of the navigation panel and click Sign Out. This is the proper way to end your session. Signing out helps protect your information and closes your session securely, which is especially important if you're using a shared or public computer. After you sign out, you can close Google Chrome if you're done. The next time you return to TurboTax Online, you can sign back in and continue from your saved progress. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, continue working on your TurboTax return, trust that your progress is being saved as you move to each new screen, and always use the sign out option in the lower left navigation panel when you're finished. Following these simple habits can make the process smoother, safer, and easier to manage from start to finish.